Have you ever wanted to make your own knife sheath but didn't know where to start or how to make your own template? Then discover how to make a knife sheath for almost any knife you own. You don't even need any sheath making experience. You can make them for outdoor knives, hunting knives, or even your kitchen knives at home. Here I reveal all my tips and tricks for creating a one-of-a-kind knife sheath that showcases fine craftsmanship and technique. Now you'll discover how to make your own pattern for almost any knife shape, with a simple hack using graph paper and card. How to make a quick and cheap foam prototype to prove your design before cutting into any quality leather. How to create a turned edge for clean edges that showcase your craftsmanship. No burnishing, edge paint or bindings needed, and you won't even need to use a skiving knife. How to recess your stitching in a groove to protect the thread, but without compromising those beautiful angled stitches, combining the best attributes of Western and European style leatherwork. How to line and wrap your snap fasteners for a neater, more completed look, creating an invisible join. To make this project, you'll need 0.5mm thick skins and 2mm thick vegetable tan leather if you want a turned edge, or 2.5mm vegetable tan leather if you want a simpler, easier to make sheath with burnished edges. For more information, head to leathercraftmasterclass.com. So click the link in bio now and I'll see you there. Hi, my name is Philip and this is the Leathercraft Masterclass.